Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this device. You need to start by accessing Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now just type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open. In those pop-ups, all of them you need to choose while using the app, Allow, and then Allow again. Now swipe up and click on Home button. From here you need to access Settings and scroll down. Now click on Apps section, select Default Apps and click on Home app. From here you need to click on iOS Launcher in order to set it up and tap on Got it! As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can do that by going into exactly the same settings and choosing Moto App Launcher or clicking on Apple one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!